We've gone to the best in the business. Sunrise cleaning expert Anita Birges is our latest I Would Never in our I Would Never series. So, are the products we trust really that safe, and what should you be doing to keep our house sparkling clean? Anita, thanks for joining us. Let's kick off with the first tip. What do you reckon?
Okay, there are certain things in your home you should never clean with white vinegar. Okay,
Right.
I know it's surprising because people are really comfortable with it. It's a cheap alternative to actual cleaning products. But things like granite and Caesar stone bench tops should never touch. It will discolour. And also never put vinegar in your washing machine or your dishwasher. You know how sometimes people say to clean out the filters and that? It ruins the gasket. So you should definitely not be using vinegar.
Okay, what else are we doing wrong?
Okay, who is disinfecting their sponges in the microwave? Yeah, not a good idea.
Really?
Yes, because first of all, it can go on fire. It can be ignited, the materials, and it doesn't disinfect your dish sponges. It can actually make bacteria grow even more.
Really?
Oh, okay. And what's your third tip?
Okay, next one we're going to talk about, is baking soda on your mattresses. Now, bicarb soda is used a lot of times, on carpet to deodorize and stuff like that.
Yep.
Don't use it. You know why? Because it's going to ruin your vacuum cleaner. And just the other day, it happened to me while I was getting ready for a hack segment.
Right.
A whole lot of baking soda fell on my floor. I went and got the vacuum cleaner. It took me 2 days to get it working again because I had to clean out every single filter.
Wow.
So don't use baking soda for things like that. Use it more for things on like plastic or in your fridge or but nothing that has to be sucked up again.
Okay, what else are we doing wrong?
Okay, what else are we doing? Newspaper. Newspaper to clean windows. Never use newspaper to clean.
Why?
Did your parents used to do that?
Yeah, Mum does it.
Okay, don't do it. It doesn't work. It actually leaves streaks, leaves ink on that on your windows, and it also leaves those yucky fibres everywhere. Just stick to a microfiber cloth.
Yeah, or Enyo. I use my Enyo thing.
You can use that as well, but never, ever newspaper. And last but not least, lemon juice. Now, you know how you can use lemon juice on stainless steel, you can use it on the inside of your sink, but never use lemon on chrome because it will actually make chrome bubble and corrode because it's acidic. So things like chrome, like your zip tap, your taps, the frames around your mirrors, your lamps, never use a concoction of lemon. Don't get anywhere near it.
Okay,
It's a lot.
lemon, vinegar, save it for your fish and chips. Don't use it around the house.
Exactly.
Anita,
Cook with
thanks
it.
for coming in.
My pleasure.
I'm hungry now.